Yun mismo hindi siya memories din, currently nangyayari sa'kin ngayon. Siguro ano siya, talagang fragrance niya talagang sweet.
If you could bottle one memory, one emotion, or one life lesson into a fragrance, what would it be called and what would it smell like?
Memory? Kahit ano dun. Wow! Siguro yung ano, hindi siya memory siguro. Yun mismo hindi siya memories din, currently nangyayari sa'kin ngayon. Siguro ano siya, talagang fragrance niya talagang sweet. Yung tinatawag na parang, hindi pa naman siguro sweet success, pero like aamoy mo na siya na nangyayari. Yun.
Ano po yung parang ipapangalan niyo?
Ah, fragrance, ano. Hmm, ano ba? Ano man, yun lang, success lang siguro. Success, ganon. Yun lang po siguro.
As someone balancing music, acting, and endorsements, what exciting projects should your fans look forward for the rest of 2026?
Yeah, syempre yung PMAC, Love You Lots. You have Love You Lots din na series, PMAC, and also yung mismong book ko at comics na i-release ngayong September na Adlikhain Heroverse. Yun yung mga aabangan nila. Hi everyone, I'm Wilbur Truss and you're watching Lionheart TV. Rawr.